Hello, welcome to Professor SNAB, where we aim to make A-level biology as simple as a cell. So today we'll be able to calculate net primary productivity and understand the relationship between gross primary productivity, net primary productivity, and plant respiration. And this is quite an important topic to understand because they usually come up as 3-marker questions where you'll be expected to look at some data and be able to carry out the calculation. And it does come up quite frequently, almost every year, so it's quite important to know. So, what is net primary? So, we're looking into net primary productivity. So, organisms that convert light energy into chemical energy during photosynthesis are called producers. And gross primary productivity, or GPP for short, is the rate at which chemical energy is converted to carbohydrates during photosynthesis. And net primary productivity, which is NPP for short, is the GPP minus the plant respiratory losses, and it is the rate at which energy is stored in plant biomass. So net primary productivity formula is, as we've said before, is literally just the gross primary productivity take away the respiratory losses. And the units are the units of energy per unit area or volume per unit time. So depending on the question, your units can be these two. And sometimes you will be expected to calculate the percentage. So the percentage of NPP compared to GPP. So your first step would be to calculate the net primary productivity. And then once you find the value, you divide that by gross primary productivity and you times by 100. So that will give you the percentage. So that is a type of question that does come up. So do keep an eye out for that. And of course, don't ever forget the units, because if you forget your units, you might not get the mark. So do keep an eye out for that as well. So that is all from Professor Snap today. Hope this topic has been useful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.